Roundabouts reduce severe crashes compared to traditional intersections, but they still present challenges, particularly for older drivers. Navigating a roundabout requires quick decision-making, accurate gap judgment, and the ability to process multiple visual cues at once. Age-related changes in vision, hearing, reaction time, and cognitive processing can make it harder for senior drivers to judge speeds, maintain lane position, and adapt to unusual traffic patterns. Merging and gap judgment. Drivers must judge gaps in circulating traffic before entering. Misjudging speed or distance can lead to side impact collisions. Some drivers stop unnecessarily at the entry, causing rear-end crashes. Lane discipline issues. Multi-lane roundabouts require correct lane choice before entry. Lane weaving inside the circle can lead to sideswipes. Drivers may cut across lanes to exit if they realize too late they're in the wrong one. Failure to yield. Entering drivers must yield to traffic already in the roundabout. Some drivers ignore or misunderstand this rule, causing conflicts. Speeding. Approaching too fast reduces reaction time for yielding or avoiding pedestrians. Excessive speed inside the circle increases crash severity. Large vehicle challenges. Trucks, buses, and RVs may need more space and could drift into adjacent lanes. Tailgating these vehicles is risky. They may swing wide when turning. Pedestrian and cyclist safety. Pedestrians must cross at designated crossings, but impatient drivers may not stop. Cyclists sharing the circle must merge with traffic or navigate crosswalks, both of which require heightened caution. Poor visibility or confusing design. Landscaping signs or central monuments can block sightlines. Unclear lane markings or inadequate signage can confuse drivers unfamiliar with the layout. Weather and surface conditions. Wet, icy, or sandy surfaces reduce traction, making it harder to navigate the tight curves safely. Painted markings can be slippery in rain or frost. Driver inexperience or misunderstanding. In areas where roundabouts are uncommon, drivers may stop in the circle, back up, or misuse turn signals. Tourists or out-of-town drivers may approach them as if they were four-way stops. For older drivers, hesitation or overcaution can disrupt traffic flow and increase rear-end collision risks, while misjudging entry or exit gaps can lead to side impact crashes. Poor signage, unfamiliar layouts, and multi-lane designs can add confusion. Extra attention, reduced speed, and, when possible, practicing on simpler, single-lane roundabouts can help minimize these risks. In short, roundabouts can be safe for all ages when approached correctly. Still, older drivers should take added care to ensure they maintain smooth, predictable movements and avoid last-second decisions.